Hey everyone, VisionAutoworks here with a set of Mk4 Supra calipers, fully rebuilt and refinished in hot yellow powder coat, as the customer requested. We have Supra logo caliper decals done in black for him to attach to these fresh calipers ready to roll. Of course, the rebuild does basically cover all internal and external seals, dust boots. Um, these these dust boots on these calipers have kind of like a metal, almost like a C-clip, also replaced with brand new bleeder valves and bleeder caps. Again, powder coat color is hot yellow. If you guys need any brake caliper rebuilding and refinishing, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. Reach out to us with your vehicle make and model, and we'll get back to you with a price.